first, I need you to help me with our social media problem today. You ready? All right, let's take a look at it together. So go ahead and read that question for us.
What is the most reasonable unit to measure the distance traveled in an hour-long car ride?
All right, so we've got a couple of different measurements there that we can go by: feet, miles, inches, and yards. So which one of those do you think is the best?
Probably miles,
Why do you think miles?
because it's the longest out of all of the options.
It is, right? If we took 1 mile, it would be the longest out of all of those, right? So would it be feasible or possible to measure a car ride in the other units?
It would.
It would. Which would be the most difficult?
Probably inches.
Probably inches, right? Okay. So yeah, you usually aren't going to measure that in inches, right? If we weren't doing feet, miles, inches, or yards, can you think of anything else that you could measure it in for a car ride?
Centimeters.
You could, but instead of centimeters, which would be really short like inches, what else could you do?
Millimeters.
That would be even smaller, right? So we're going to go on a car ride. So you're on the right track, because I wanted you to see if you would go into that metric units. So instead of centimeters or millimeters, we could do
Meters.
meters. And you know anything bigger than meters?
I forgot.
Do you remember what the prefix is for 1,000?
No.
Begins with a K?
Kilometers.
There you go, kilometers, right, or kilometers, right? So very good. So I'm glad you thought of that one right there. So you're going to go with B, miles. All right, let's see if indeed you are correct. There you go, miles is correct. Nicely done. First problem out of the way, right?